So hello and welcome to Mixologist, and on this episode I'm confused, and the reason I'm confused is because I bought this unit on the line, and so it's a Holley Marine Carb. That's what it is. But the thing that I'm confused about is I am trying to work out why is it so clean. I mean, seriously, this unit, apart from the fact, the only thing I can think of is that somebody has used it for parts for other carb, because it hasn't, let me bring you closer. So obviously it hasn't got the, what we call in the carbs, the curb idle screw, and the idle mixture screws are missing on both sides. Now that is something that I can sort out in a question of minutes, literally. But look at this. Look at the state of these throttle plates. I mean, honestly, I don't think this carb has done like 15, 20, I don't know, surely less than 50 hours, if that. I mean, if it has been installed in a boat. And look at the way it is here. I mean, don't know if you can see it well, but this, the Venturis and the boosters are so clean. I've never seen a carb this clean, to be honest. So it's looking like it's gonna be quite a simple rebuild, actually. So I'm gonna take off the bowl and the metering block to see how they are. Give it a quick splash of kind of carb rejuvenation spray, and I think we'll be ready to send it. So that's what I'm confused. I can't believe I got a carb so good. Okay, so at this stage, I'm really struggling. And what I'm struggling to find is any evidence that this carb has actually been used ever. Obviously, when I disassembled it, the kind of some of the gaskets, well, I'm going to have to change it, but I was going to change them anyway. So that's not a problem. But look at this. So this was the top of the accelerator pump. That's something that generally tends to kind of corrode if it has been used or that kind of stuff. This looks brand new. Look at the hardware. This looks brand new as well. The power valve, it looks brand new, to be honest. It's working absolutely perfectly. Look at the metering block, how clean this is. This is new. I mean, I can't find any evidence of this ever working. And look at this, the fuel bowl, how clean it is inside. It's amazing. What else here as well? Look at this, the face of the car. Maybe there is a slight issue in these passages. They might need a bit of cleaning, but other than that, I look at the base. Obviously, the gasket for the base, I had to just give it a little correction in a sense. But other than that, I think this is pretty much a brand new carb, I think. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the gaskets back on, new gaskets, find the bits obviously that are missing, because clearly you need to do that. But other than that, I think this unit is ready to rule the waves again. Now, and this illustrates one of the principles that I've talked in many of my videos past, which is when you're fixing something, I call it the principle of least intervention. So when you're fixing something, you don't have to fix something that isn't broken. So this, the only thing it needed is a bit of gaskets, because this unit might have been sitting on a shelf for many years, I don't know, but that's the only thing it needs. It's a brand new item, so just don't touch it. Just put it back together and just send it. And that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so that's it. Boom, done. So it has new gaskets. I put these new gaskets in the fuel bowl, which are kind of nylon. They're a little bit better. But apart from that, this is a perfectly functioning marine carb in actually brilliant condition. So somebody's gonna get a really good carb for a very good price. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode. If you've got any questions, obviously put them down in the comments. If you have any ideas for other kind of carburetors or other bits, just put it down there in the comments as well. I always consider them. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again.